Welcome. In this video, I'll show how to mark all notifications as read on the Facebook app when using a PC, especially with the latest update. If you've been getting tons of notifications and want a quick way to clear them all at once, this feature makes it super easy. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Facebook app on your PC. You can do this through your browser by visiting facebook.com and logging into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see several icons there, including your profile picture, messages, and the notifications icon, which looks like a bell. Click on the notifications icon to open your list of recent alerts. This is where Facebook shows everything from likes and comments to friend requests and updates. Now, here's the important part. At the top of the notifications panel, you'll notice three small dots. Click on those three dots to open more options. A small menu will appear. From this menu, simply click on Mark all as read, and that's it. Instantly, all your unread notifications will be cleared, helping you keep your account clean and organized. This is especially useful if you don't want to go through each notification one by one, which can take a lot of time. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tips and tutorials to get the most out of your Facebook experience. Thanks for watching.